कभी आपने ये महसूस किया है कि बच्चे जब इंग्लिश बोलते हैं कैसे वो सीख जाते हैं इंग्लिश। मुझे अभी भी याद है जब मैं एक इंग्लिश टीचर थी स्कूल में। आई यूज्ड टू टीच इंग्लिश एंड आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट माय इंग्लिश इज गुड, बट लिटिल डिड आई नो दैट देयर आर लॉट मेनी थिंग्स आई नीड टू डू। पिछले 4-5 सालों से मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही हूँ कि मैं बहुत अच्छा कम्युनिकेटर बनूं। एज एन इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेटर आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग एवरी सिंगल डे, एंड जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, practicing, hustling, participating, I have done a lot of things. I took the plunge to publish my first book, and this is the book which I have published, The Gleaming Darkness. Even I gave my first TED Talk. और ये सारी चीजें इसीलिए हुई है because I'm practicing communication skills. I always used to think that my English is perfect because I am an English teacher. I'm teaching English. I have all the degrees. But later I realized after COVID that no. Because I landed up into a public speaking platform. There I started creating a lot of videos only in English. People started pointing me out. Not in a negative way, but positive way that Beena, this is not the way you speak. This is not how we have to speak. These are the few ways which you need to follow. And trust me, following them, practicing, participating, I have improved a lot. And just because of practicing every single day, I'm stressing this particular word, practice. So today to all the viewers, my friends, you can master your English. बहुत से लोग ये कहते हैं कि you can master your English within 21 days, within 50 days, within a year. But let me tell you, within 21 days, you can master only when you practice, when you are going to practice relentlessly every single day, following the tips and tricks. वीडियो में हम कहते हैं कि 21 डेज में आप मास्टर हो जाओगे, पर आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं, आपने प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करी, आपने जो भी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दिया वो आपने किया ही नहीं, एंड देन यू स्टार्ट ब्लेमिंग दैट आई हैव नॉट गेट like I have not yet got the results. So my dear friends, जिस तरह से एक बच्चा इंग्लिश सीख जाता है उसी तरह से आपको इंग्लिश सीखना है। मेरी बेटी अभी 2.5 साल की है और मैं उसके साथ सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करती हूँ और वो बहुत अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलती है। बहुत अच्छा इन द सेंस शी कैन रिप्लाई whenever I'm asking her any question, she is replying just because I'm speaking every single day. I'm speaking with her only in English, not any other languages. So English अगर सीखना है तो daily बोलना है। So hey, hello everyone. My name is Veena Roy, an IELTS certified trainer, a communication coach, English communication coach, a TED Talk speaker, an author. I'm a trainer as well, but along with that, I always have this intention that I need to empower people so that they can speak this particular language effectively and fearlessly. 21 days में आप इंग्लिश को मास्टर कर सकते हो by knowing the tips and tricks, but after 21 days you have to practice relentlessly. कुछ चीजें जानने के बाद अगर हम प्रैक्टिस ही ना करें तो उसमें कमांड या फ्लुएंसी कभी नहीं आ पाएगी। So what you have to do? Listen very carefully. First 1 to 7 days. Listen carefully what you have to do. पहले के 1 से 7 दिन आपको क्या करना है? You have to listen. Yes, my dear. इट्स easier said than done. बोल दिया कि सुनना है तो सुन लेंगे, but relentlessly, diligently, all these powerful words I'm using. Every single day you need to listen. What you have to listen? You can listen to songs, you can listen to different podcasts. I have written some of the names like 6 minutes English podcast, BBC News, stories podcast, even a kind of series you can watch. And that the name of that particular series is My Friends. You can watch that every single day. Choose one or two and watch. Listen how they pronounce. Listen exactly what they are speaking. So सुनने के बाद क्या करना है? After listening, pen down. You have to write that from this particular song I have learned these two, or I have got to know these 2-3 words. I learned that the speaker is talking about these 3 things. You just write down that कि क्या आपने समझा क्या है, वो जो इंग्लिश का जो वीडियो आपने देखा है, you have watched it, you have listened it, what are the things you have understood so far? Just write down. And after writing those points, what you have to do is speak. Listen, write, and speak. If you do this at least for 21 days, you will get the knack of it. The practice will be there. You will gain confidence. वो confidence अंदर से आएगा कि yes, I can speak. और एक बार confidence आ गया ना, so you can just mark my words. You will improve a lot. But you have to do this, or you have to, like, whatever the things I will be sharing right now, you have to do consistently all these things. Not just one day, every single day. सुनना है 1 से 7 दिन तक सुनना है, उसके बाद भी 21 दिन के बाद भी you have to listen. सुनना कोई नहीं चाहता. We are always ready to listen, but when you listen carefully, you can master the art of communication. People will love you. You will get the clarity. अगर आप इस वीडियो को अच्छे से सुन रहे हो तो you can find out the flaws कि कहीं ना कहीं तो ये भी गलती कर रही है. All the great speakers, they get tongue tired. सब लोग गलती करते हैं, तो क्या हुआ? But बोलना जरूरी है. Imagine I'm speaking today and after 5 years, what will happen? Every single day I'm speaking, I'm creating videos, and after 5 years, imagine the fluency will grow. I will have command over this language. जितना है उससे double, triple और ज़्यादा. So my dear friends, सुनना बहुत ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. You have to listen every single day. So some of the things which I have mentioned, like podcast, My Friends, this is a Netflix series. You can listen to BBC News every single day, the way they are pronouncing. And when they are pronouncing it, listen carefully, write down exactly the words which you can't pronounce, write down what they are talking about, and then share in your own words. करके देखो ना. हम करते ही नहीं है, लाइक हम प्रैक्टिस करते ही नहीं है. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे तब आपको एहसास होगा कि कितनी अच्छे इंग्लिश हम बोल रहे हैं, राइट? उसके बाद 8 से 14 दिन, like from 8 to 14 days, what you have to do is you have to just read every single day. We don't want to read. We choose random books and end up not reading that particular book and keeping it on the shelf as it is. So read करना है ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. Read more so that you can gain knowledge and choose books as per your choice and as per your needs. Random books नहीं लेना है. Like she is reading, that's why I need to take that book. I need to purchase that particular book. नहीं, वही book choose करना है जो आपको लगता है कि if I read, I'm going to get knowledge, and that is the requirement right now for me. कोई भी random book नहीं उठाना है. You will lost interest. So when you are reading, read aloud. थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ना है, ऐसे चिल्लाना नहीं है, जोर से पढ़ना है ताकि सबको समझ में आए. गलत, सबको नहीं समझना है, आपको समझना है. Read aloud so that you can understand the pronunciation, the words, the sentences, so that you can hear and improve. And after reading that particular page, write again and speak again. It will hardly take 20 minutes every single day. Imagine आप हर रोज सुन रहे हो, पढ़ रहे हो, लिख रहे हो. You are just investing 20 minutes every single day just to read, write, speak. What will happen? Have you ever imagined? Have you ever have imagined about it? No. उसके बाद you can practice the shadowing technique whenever you are watching any English movie, okay, any podcast. Just do the shadowing technique. For example, that person is speaking this way, that hey, hello everyone, my name is Veena Roy, and today in this particular channel I'm going to talk about these three things, right? So आपको अपना accent नहीं बदलना है, just you have to speak. Hey, hello everyone, today let me share with you these three things. These three things are powerful. Shadowing technique means you need to mimic, you need to repeat, repetition. गाना हम सुनते सुनते याद हो जाता है, बच्चे सुनते सुनते बोलने लग जाते हैं. तो जितना रिपीटिशन होगा उतना ही हम अच्छे से बोल पाएंगे. Initially people used to laugh at my Hindi, the way used to I speak Hindi. But right now I'm practicing Hindi as well, so that even I can speak comfortably, because sometimes I get stuck. But nowadays I'm trying my level best. You need to give your best. So I have already given the roadmap, 1 to 7 days. Just listen about the like podcast series, all these things. Listen carefully. Then you have to just write down about it and speak. Practice. Speaking is for every day. After 7 days, 8 to 14 days, just read. Choose one book, read. After reading, write, speak. Write, speak. And after that, 15 to 21 days, what you have to do? I will be sharing with you one PDF in the description. Check out that description, take that particular PDF, and as per the PDF, the topics which I have given listed down, choose one topic and speak whatever is there in your mind. कोई भी टॉपिक मिलने के बाद हम सोचते हैं क्या बोलना है, क्या बोलना है, क्या बोलना है. अरे कुछ नहीं, जो भी दिमाग में आ रहा है बोलो. पहले बोलो तो सही. First you need to speak. For example, my hobby. Like, what are my hobbies? There is a way to organize your content that I'm going to share with you. But before you organize, tell your brain to bring out the best, the words, the ideas, the sentences, everything. You have to become vulnerable. And when you go to bed every single day, write that today my day was fantastic. Use some of the words which you have already read, you know it. Use all these words, the sentences, the way you encounter the words, sentences, the people. Write it down. My day was fantastic. I did all of these things. I met someone. I did these three things. Number 1, 2, 3. Write this way. And at least every single day, 20 minutes to practice. Keep that aside. 20 minutes you need to practice. And before you go to bed, do the journaling. And when you finish 1 to 7 days, then 14, then 8 to 14 days, the last day, 7 days, 7 topics you can choose. I have already listed down 100 topics. You can take advantage of these 100 topics later on, because continuous improvement or continuous practice will give you improvement. Every single day when you will practice, you will see that yes, there is a tremendous change in my communication. If not, but your confidence will go. Your confidence is going to grow, my dear. Because these are some of the techniques that has that have really helped people, and I can guarantee that these tips are going to help you as well. So, what are you waiting for? Just work on these one or two, three things and master it. And do write to me as well. In the description, I have given everything. Check out the description. If you feel that this video is worth sharing, do that. And yes, please consistently, whatever I have shared, do it. You will write to me that yes, I have improved. And if you need any kind of help, I'm always there. And if you are new in this particular channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button icon for all the notifications. I'm always there to help you out to improve your English fluency as well as your communication skills.